Hey guys, in this video we'll be talking about Vitis rotundifolia. This is our muscadine grape that grows here in North Carolina and throughout the Southeast. If you've ever been to the farmer's market in the fall, you might have had some muscadine grapes from there. There's also a scuppernong variety that is in the same genus that is very delicious. So Vitis rotundifolia is in the Vitaceae family. That is our grape family. That's the same family that we see our Parthenocissus quinquefolia in. That's our woodbine. So they're in the same family. So they're gonna have some similar characteristics to each other. So muscadine grape has a fruit type as a berry. That's gonna be a dark purple or black at maturity. The specific epithet means round-leaved. It has a high value wildlife food plant. The fruits are eaten by most species, including humans. It's often used in making wine, most notably the scuppernong variety has yellow-green fruits. And the growth and care of grapes is called viticulture, the culture of Vitis, which is the genus of this plant. So looking at this, you can see that it has this round-shaped leaf. If you were to draw a line all the way around that leaf, it would be kind of circular. So we would call that an orbicular leaf. You can see that it has a cordate base where it kind of splits at the bottom and looks kind of like a heart at that end, and it's got this pointed tip. And then along the margin of that leaf, you're going to see these huge teeth, or these rounded, big teeth going all the way around the edge of the leaf. And you see that all the way along the plant where it grows. This one's growing up a tree right now. It's growing up a loblolly pine, but that's not important. You'll often see this growing up trees where it can climb to get to sunlight. So this plant is only going to fruit in the sun when it can have access to sunlight. So you're only going to see grapes kind of hanging off of this vine. You're not going to see them on the ground. You'll actually see this plant on the ground though. So you can see all the way around me, we've got Vitis growing up amongst a bunch of other vines on the ground. All that muscadine grape up here on the ground at Lake Johnson. Beautiful place. But going back to our plant, you should also know that this is an alternate leaf, so it's alternately arranged along that stem. And as with all our vines, we're going to ask, how does this climb? How does it attach to things? And so this vine has these tendrils that come out, and those tendrils are going to have one loop. So they're not going to split anywhere. They're just going to be one tendril reaching out, which will help us distinguish it from another vine we're going to learn later in the semester. So that's Vitis rotundifolia, our muscadine grape.